those things would allow me to shake it out, shake it off, and remove it, release it from my body. And then step 3 was linguistic alchemy. I watched the words that I said and I reframed my words. So every time I had those thoughts of, oh, poor me, I was abandoned and this happened and that happened and life will never be the same, I said, no, it is my life and it is time to move forward and manifest what I want. And so when I let go of that toxic story, I was able to live life and move forward and create a beautiful life. And that happened to be a retreat company that served other people and helped people move forward and let go of their stories. So this was so enriching and powerful and felt so good. And indeed, that's what manifested. My future moved forward, and I have never told that story again. Yes, it is amazing when we can do that process.
Catherine, I absolutely love your story. Isn't it funny how we as women give energy to our stories when we hold